Buenos días, padres. Esta es la tarea de hoy y también del miércoles. Van a hacer la primera parte hoy, martes. Y las siguientes 5 mañana, miércoles. ¿Okay? Todos estos son problemas que hemos estado resolviendo. Yo les leo el cuento a los niños, si es que no lo pueden leer, y ellos me tienen que decir la oración que se escribe. Por ejemplo, Tasha tiene 2 crayones, ella compra 4 más. ¿Cuántos crayones tiene Tasha? Entonces ellos pondrían la oración de suma de 2 más 4 son 6. Pero como yo les leo, y yo sé que muchos de ustedes necesitan de mi ayuda también para explicarles esta tarea, se los voy a leer en inglés y pueden regresar, pueden poner en pausa el video, como ustedes gusten. Si ustedes miran que no necesitan el video, está bien. Ahora voy a continuar en inglés. Okay, boys and girls. So you're going to do the first 5 today and the next 5 tomorrow, Wednesday. I'm going to read all of the questions for you so you can always come back, pause, or play again. Tasha has 2 crayons. So how many crayons does Tasha have? She has 2, so I would write 2. She buys 4 more. Well, 4 more, are we adding or subtracting? We're adding. 2 plus 4 equals how much? It should be 6. Now you're going to write the addition sentence in each one, but I'm going to read all of the questions. I am no longer going to write the addition sentence for you. Okay, you can use this video tomorrow with the next 5. Sal has 8 stickers. He buys 2 more. How many stickers does he have now? Next one. Tom hops 2 times. He then hops 7 more times. How many hops does Tom do? I have 5 cookies. You have 5 cookies. How many cookies do we have? Next one. Sam likes to jog. He jogged 1 mile this morning. He jogged 5 miles this afternoon. How many miles did he jog? Oh, that should say jog. Cross it out and put jog. Okay, now tomorrow. Kim has 5 buttons. She finds 3 more buttons. How many buttons does she have? Oh, sorry. Let me read that one again. Kim has 5 buttons. She finds 3 more buttons. How many buttons does she have? So remember, don't forget to write your answer right here. Juan rides a long ride 4 times. He rides 2 more times. How many times did he ride the log ride? Cat swam 2 laps this morning. She swam 6 laps this afternoon. How many laps did she swim? We find 10 flowers outside. We did not find any more. How many do we have in all? And the last one for Wednesday. I have 3 pencils. You have 4 pencils. How many pencils do we have all together? Okay? Make sure you turn this in Thursday. Okay? So Tuesday, today you do 5. Tomorrow you do the next 5. Muchas gracias, padres. Cualquier cosa que necesiten, no duden en dejarme saber. Muchas gracias.